Now you can apply sunblock.
They both have the hiccups.
New Neutrogena Wet Skin Kit with Helioplex. The first sunblock designed to be applied directly to wet skin.
Because they're a little bit more often than mine right now, I think.
Neutrogena Wet Skin Kit instantly cuts through water. Forms a broad spectrum protective barrier with Wet Skin Kit.
Pull his shirt down.
Try new Wet Skin sunblock for adults too.
I'm gonna pull it down.
You can see it better.
Recommended sun